Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today we are going to make a yam croquette recipe. Now we are going to make tomato puree. For that I have used two big tomatoes. I have made a cross mark on it, you can see. Now we are putting the tomatoes in the boiling water. Now after 5 minutes we are going to put it and let it cool down. Now after 5 minutes we will put it into the chilled water and we will remove the outer shell or outer chilka of the tomatoes. So this is the process of blanching of tomatoes. After blanching and removing and placing it for 2 to 3 minutes in icing water, we will make a puree by mixing it in a grinder. Main ingredients. So here we are using half kg of yam, which is also known as jimikand or suran. Then we are using 2 banana puree, 2 tomato puree, 1 tablespoon honey, then vinegar as per your own taste, red chili, salt as per your own taste, some cinnamon and black pepper. Now we are going to boil the yam for 15 minutes in the boiling water, in which I have already added 2.5 teaspoons of salt. So after 15 minutes keep it aside and let it cool. And also after keeping it aside for 15 minutes, now drain the water and mash the yam. Ingredients for banana sauce. So here we are using banana puree, tomato puree, some mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of honey, some vinegar as per your own taste, red chili, cinnamon and black pepper, and a pinch of salt as per your own taste. Now we are making banana sauce. So first we are adding banana puree in the pan. Now we are also adding half cup of tomato puree. Now we are adding some mint leaves to it. And some red chili. I'm just using 1/4 of teaspoon of red chili, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and we are adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar, one more, we are adding 2 teaspoon of honey in it. Once it cools down, we will keep it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Ingredients of croquette. So here we have used mashed yam, garlic granules, vinegar, roughly chopped ginger, red chili and black pepper. We have also added semolina to make it a good binding mixture, and after that this is the final mixture for the yam croquettes, and we will be now moving on to the making it for a batter. After that we will make batter for it. So finally these are the heart-shaped croquettes which we designed. Now we will fry it using the 2 batters. So number 1 batter is the egg white batter. So we will dip these croquettes in it and we will fry it, shallow fry it. For those who don't eat egg, we have another option. This is the batter that we make. So in this batter we have used 1.5 tablespoon of semolina, 2.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, some cinnamon and salt. Now we are going to shallow fry these croquettes. So these are the croquettes. Before frying it, I have kept it in the freezer for 10 minutes, and so I have presented it with the banana sauce in the middle in the shape of a heart, and the green one over here that I have used for presentation is mint mayonnaise sauce, which is 78% fat free. Food for thought. Think different, eat different, experience the different flavors. Now a quick recap. So in this we are going to make yam croquettes. So the first phase is making of a banana sauce. In this we have used banana puree 1 bowl, tomato puree half cup of tomato puree, red chili, honey 1 tablespoon, vinegar as per your own taste, salt and black pepper and herbs. Heat it. Now add banana puree, half cup of tomato puree, red chili, 1 tablespoon of honey, vinegar as per your own taste, salt and black pepper. Heat it and keep it aside, mix it and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. For croquettes, add yam in a boiling water and a lot of salt. After some time, strain the water from the yam and let it cool. For making the croquettes, mash the yam, add ginger, black pepper, mustard or rye, vinegar, salt and garlic. Add semolina 2 tablespoons, shape it in the heart shape. Now in this we are going to make 2 types of batter. Batter 1 is with the egg whites. Add egg white in a bowl and add cinnamon to it and then crush it. And this is in the other batter we are going to use 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of semolina, cinnamon, water and salt. Now keep it in. Now after coating with the batter, keep it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes and then shallow fry it and serve it with the banana sauce. These are the one which I have coated with the egg whites, and I have also presented 1 egg white and some aloo bhujia on the top of it. Hope you will like it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.